Neha, welcome to Times of India.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
लॉकडाउन में क्या फिटनेस की तरफ रुझान बढ़ा और यू वर ऑलवेज इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स स्टेइंग फिट और फिटनेस की तरफ हमेशा आपने ध्यान दिया, या लॉकडाउन ने एक अलग तरीके से फिटनेस को आपका नजरिया बदला फिटनेस की तरफ?
No, I think fitness was always a part of my life. कभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा, कभी थोड़ा कम. So that was a part of my life. This entire lockdown had got me closer to more and more and most closest to my husband, and we have again started a new. The new normal of our life is not the COVID after reaction. The new normal is the new love that we have blossomed again. शादी को 10 साल पूरे हो जाएंगे अगले साल. But still, I think it was लोग कहते हैं कि 5-10 साल के बाद you become normal to life. You're used to somebody, but I think it just feels like once again we started off and we just dating each other and chasing to meet each other. So I think that the best has happened to me during the COVID.
एंड कितना वेट लूज किया है आपने, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बालिका वधू में भी देखा है और अभी भी मैं देख रही हूँ कितना वेट लॉस हुआ है, और ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, ये जो जर्नी रही है फिटनेस की, वो किस तरीके से रही है, अगर उसके बारे में आप कुछ बता सके तो.
See, my idea of being fit is never losing weight. It's about losing extra fat and gaining muscles. So ये agenda हमें clear रखना बहुत जरूरी है. हम कई बार weight नापते रहते हैं, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. आपकी हड्डियाँ कितनी मजबूत हैं, आपने muscle gain कितना किया है, how tight you are, that is more important. So I am into out and out yoga, power yoga. My daily routine of a year is every New Year's I'm at one place in my life, that is Jindal Naturopathy in Bangalore, for 10 days to detoxify myself as well as to do my meditation. And the morning kriya that I have, the Anulom Vilom and Pranayam and yoga and power yoga. That's how my fitness regime is. I love walking through, and the walking is the best when Ayushman is around. So we can just run around and walk around. I miss the time with him when I'm working here. But walking, jogging, and enjoying the fresh air, yoga, power yoga with a good meditation and a pranayam just ends up my beautiful life. And of course, I go for a gluten-free. I am a completely gluten-free person. I do not take gluten at all. I have eat a lot of jaggery and honey. That's the secret all that I've shared with you in life.
I remember when you got married, मुझे if I'm not wrong, आप थोड़े टाइम पे आपको long distance relationship में भी रहना पड़ा था, because you were working here, आपको shows offer हो रहे थे, and कैसे you were balancing कि आप शादी भी अपना वो लाइफ भी संभाल रही थी, अपना काम भी संभाल रही थी. But now, as you said कि you got time to spend during lockdown, तो कह सकते हैं कि एक नई शुरुआत हुई है पर्सनल लाइफ में भी और एक.
Absolutely. See, I always chased to meet him. That was from the right beginning. It seems like मुझे ऐसा लगता है I am gaga for him. That I always want to meet him and I keep chasing him कि मुझे कैसे एक मुलाकात मिल जाए. तो even that time after I got married, I bagged the show for Z again, डोली अरमानों की, जिसकी वजह से 2 साल मैं बॉम्बे में थी. हर महीने जाती थी मैं 5-7 दिन के लिए. Ayushman bhi, he also used to try to be here for almost good 7 to 10 days, but still that chase was alive. The crux of our relation, I think, is the long distance relationship, which is actually working because the chase is alive, the freshness is alive, there's always something to look forward to meet. So yeah, and I've been always trying to balance. अभी भी छुट्टियां मांगती रहती हूँ मैं कि जाने दो, 2 दिन जाके आती हूँ. But being a daily soap heroine, it becomes very difficult even for the producers and the makers to leave you. But yeah, we are working it out.
Lastly, before winding up, as you said, शादी को 10 साल होने वाले हैं. I know this question is very cliche कि अब शादी हो गई है तो मदरहुड कब हो रहा है, लेकिन लॉकडाउन में हमने काफी सारी खुशखबरियां सुनी, चाहे वो प्रेगनेंसी की शादी से रिलेटेड हो. लॉकडाउन में ये चीज बारी बारी आती गई. सो इज मदरहुड ऑन द कार्ड या अभी थोड़ा काम करना है, देन यू विल फोकस ऑन दैट अरीना?
I was so paranoid about it जब भी कुछ ऐसा हिंट लगता था मुझे लगता था oh god I have signed up and I should not अभी हो गया, because I want to be a mother, and at the same time I have few commitments that I have given so far for a year I'm stuck with. So not stuck, I'm happy with it, but I've signed with somebody. So thankfully अब मैं कहूँ कि अभी न्यूज़ नहीं आई, but then I would plans are always, my cards are never shut, so it's an open card. Whenever God wants to write a story, we'll start writing and you will get a news as soon as possible whenever it happens.
Yes. Thank you so much, Neha. All the best for the show. It was lovely talking to you, and take care.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Take care.